Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th standard exercise 3.2 fourth problem. In that small 4 problem, 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals 0. Let's start the answer. 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals 0. A1 equals to this, B1 equals minus 2 and C1 is also minus 2. Now for the second equation, 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals 0, A2 equals 4, B2 equals minus 4 and C2 equals minus 5. Now A1 by A2, that is 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 1 by 2, B1 by B2, that is minus 2 by minus 4, minus minus get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, it is also 1 by 2. Here A1 by A2 is 1 by 2, B1 by B2 is 1 by 2, so I am going towards C1 by C2 also. Minus 2 by minus 5, minus minus get cancelled, 2 by 5. Here C1 by C2 got the different answer, that is 2 by 5. It means A1 by E2 is equal to B1 by B2 but does not equal to C1 by C2. It means the equations are parallel. As A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but does not equal to C1 by C2, so the linear equations are parallel. So the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Inconsistent means they are not dependent on each other, so it has no solution. As given in the problem, if it is consistent, then only we have to do the graphical presentation, but here it is inconsistent, not necessary to show the graphic presentation for this problem. Let's check the fifth problem. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. This 36 meters is the measurement of half the perimeter of the rectangular garden. This 36 meters is about half the perimeter of rectangular garden. Then length is 4 meters more than its width. Length is 4 meters more than its width. Find the dimensions of the garden. We have to find the length and the breadth or width of the rectangular garden. Let's start the answer. Let the width of garden be x meters and the length of garden be y meters. Here the length is 4 meters more than its width, so I will write like this. Length equals more, it is 4 meters more than width, so width plus 4, so length is more than 4 meters more than width, so I just write width plus 4. Then again we can write like this, length equals width is taken as x plus 4 and the length is taken as y, so here length is y, x plus 4. Take it as equation 1. Now the second information is half the perimeter of the garden, so write like this, half perimeter of garden equals 36. Half the perimeter of the garden. Let's do a small workings here about to write half the perimeter of the garden. I will write here small workings. We well know that perimeter of rectangle equals 2 length plus 2 breadth, 2L plus 2B, 2 length plus 2 breadth. Now half perimeter, I will write half perimeter of rectangle equals perimeter of rectangle 2L plus 2B. Half perimeter of rectangle equals half into 2L plus 2B. Half perimeter of rectangle equals this half into 2L plus half into 2B. 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. What remains? Half perimeter of rectangle equals 1 L1 is a L plus 1B is a B. So half perimeter of the rectangle is given as 36. Look here, half perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 equals L means Y. L means length of the garden is Y and breadth is X. So 36 equals Y plus X, that is half perimeter of the garden. X is having the plus sign, so Y is also having the plus sign, so we can write it as X plus Y also. So just I write half perimeter of the garden, that is X plus Y equals 36. Take it as equation 2. Here we got equation 1 and equation 2. It is asked to find the dimensions of the garden. So to know the length and the breadth, let's do the graphical presentation. Let's do the graphical representation. First equation, y equals x plus 4. I just draw the table x, y, put value 0 to x if x equals 0. Y equals x plus 4, y equals x means 0 plus 4, y equals 4. So when the x is 0, y equals 4. Now if y equals 0, y equals x plus 4, y means put 0 here, so 0 equals x plus 4. Now bring 4 here, it means minus 4 equals x. It means when y equals 0, x equals minus 4. Let's do the second equation. The second equation we got is x plus y equals 36. Draw the table. If x equals 0, x plus y equals 36, x means 0, then y equals 36, so y equals 36. When the x is 0, y value is 36. So put 0 to y now. If y equals 0, x plus y equals 36, x plus 0 equals 36, then x equals 36. When the value of y is 0, x is 36. Now let's show this in graph. Let's do the graph presentation. I just wrote the equation 1 and its table, equation 2 and its table. Here x value is minus 4 and here the x value is 36 and y value here is 4 and the maximum value is 36. So let's do the graphic presentation. If y equals x plus 4 and its table, second equation and its table. Here check it out, the minimum value of x is minus 4 and the maximum is 36. Here y is minimum is 0 and the maximum is 36. By comparing the values, I took 1 centimeters as 4 units. You can took any measurements appropriate scale as per the availability in the graph sheet. Let's start the answer. If x equals 0, y equals 4 here. If if x equals 0, y equals 4. Then if x equals minus 4 here, y equals 0 here itself. Now join these two dots, 2 points. And just I am going to increase the line, just it intersect the second line also. Now let's do the second one. If x equals, now write the measurements. It is 0, 4, and it is minus 4, 0, and it is equation y equals x plus 4. Okay, now do the second one. If x equals 0, y equals 36 here. When x equals 36, y equals 0 here. Now join those 2 points. Now join it towards x-axis in dotted line. In graph sheet you will get the exact straight line. So this line is going towards the 16, and on the y-axis this line is going towards 20. So here it is going towards 20. Now on x-axis it is 16, on y-axis it is 20. So I will write this as x-axis 16, comma, and on y-axis 20. Now the answer is so in graph we got the line is touching 16 on x-axis and 20 on y-axis. So the lines intersect at point 16, 20. So x equals 16 and y equals 20. That is length, that is y equals 20 meters, and width, that is x, 16 meters. This is the answer.